Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I've got a Walmart haul here. I also have another kind of haul to show you. In addition to this, I did pick some things up at BJ's, not a whole lot, but I'm going to show you what I picked up after this. And I also went to the Fresh Market because that's where I buy, I don't know, 90% of our meat. So I don't usually share those, the Fresh Market hauls, because it's literally just like paper wrapped meat, so I'm not gonna like open up the paper and open up the bag to show you meat. Does that make sense? So I figured I would just share everything all in once collectively. This all from Walmart was about $60. That bag is not for me. It's from Walmart, but it's for my parents. But I'll just start over here and then I'll share everything from Walmart first, and then I'll move on to the other places. So I got creamers for my husband and I got the pumpkin spice Coffee Mate sugar-free and the regular Coffee Mate hazelnut format. Some bananas because my son asks for one pretty much every day. Eggs, some of the top sliced hot dog rolls. I just like these better. We're gonna have hot dogs one night. Some sliced Swiss cheese, some of the Simply Potato shredded hash browns. These are, I find, the best. I've tried like the Great Value brand, the Trader Joe's ones. I've tried a bunch of different brands. I think I've even tried like the Ore-Ida brand, but I just really like this brand for some reason to do like breakfast skillets or hash brown casserole. I don't know, something about these is really good. We're trying out these Gogurts dairy free. It says it has a coconut dairy alternative. We are not dairy free, but I just wanted to try something different for Grady and just see what he thinks. Just, I don't know, thought I would mention it because I noticed these for the first time today. I got the family size extra toasty Cheez-Its, which we all love. Some breakfast sandwiches for Matt. They are just the Walmart brand sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Also trying these Go-Go Squeeze for Grady. These are the apple, banana, and strawberry pouches. It says it has a plant-based prebiotic flavor or fiber because he likes to take these different pouches to school sometimes for a snack. These are the hot dogs we're going to have one night this week. These are our favorite. They're the Nathan's, the 100% beef, cheddar cheese, beef franks, and they're loaded with cheese. They're really good, especially when you grill them and they get crispy. These are a treat for me. I love banana pudding and I love vanilla wafer pieces. So I thought this would be a great little treat for me. They're small, so good portion control. So you just get like the banana pudding with the crushed up cookie to put on top. And I just love banana pudding. I love like banana milkshakes. So I thought that would be a good treat. I did get one of these McCormick black and white peppercorn grinders. I really liked the Trader Joe's one a lot, but most of you guys know I don't live near a Trader Joe's. The closest Trader Joe's to me is about just shy of an hour, and that's with no traffic. So I haven't been able to make it down there, but I am planning to go soon, so hopefully I can pick up more of those. But anyways, I ran out of my Trader Joe's one, and I really like cracked pepper, so I picked that up to hold me over. 2 of the Yoplait Smooth, no chunks or no pieces for Grady, blueberry flavor yogurt. A gallon of water for my coffee. The Great Value deep dish pizza. I used to buy these all the time, and sometimes I just forget about them, but I saw them today. They had like a kind of display of them on the end cap, and these are really good. They're much cheaper than like the Red Baron deep dish pizzas. And they're pretty good. You just get 4 in a box, and they're good just to have if I want to have, you know, a quick lunch if I'm working from home, or Matt is working from home, that kind of thing. So got those. I got the Great Value double zipper bag freezer bags. I get the biggest box that I can find. Sometimes they have the 120, but they were sold out, so I got the 60 pack under $5. So much more cost effective than like a name brand, and I really do love their bags. We use them in all different sizes. I got another 3-pound bag of these like little easy peel mandarins. The last bag I got was so good. We blew through the whole bag in less than a week. My son can peel these easily. They're just easy for me to literally throw in like my lunch bag if I'm going to work in the office. They're just a super easy snack that's just like a no fuss. I got some travel Kleenex because I've been stocking up on regular boxed Kleenex for the cold and flu season, but I needed the travel ones just to throw in different bags. I'm going to throw one in Grady's backpack, that kind of thing. I don't know if I said smoothies, but I got the Danimals Smoothies. He drinks one a day, so I buy one of these like every 2 weeks-ish. They're just like the little shooter bottles. They're super tiny. I'm sure most of you know what those are. Oreos, I like Oreos a lot, but I will eat the whole sleeve, so I do buy these usually in the individual packs because you get 2 in a pack. It's a great serving size. You know, I can't eat the whole sleeve if I only have 2. Again, easy to pop in my work lunch bag for a treat. And then this bag is for my parents. It's just a bag of the Great Value brand tissues. These are the kind with the lotion in them. So I got like a normal one without lotion and the rest have lotion. I absolutely love their tissues. I know it's weird to rave about tissues, but I have struggled with sinus and allergy issues for pretty much my whole entire adult life. My husband actually has allergies and so does Grady, so I'm sure you can imagine we go through quite a few tissues in our home year round. So anyways, I've been telling my mom about the Great Value brand. She has never tried them. I think she's a Puffs person, but I told her I'd pick some up. They're super cheap, like $1.32 or $1.50 per box. They're just as good of quality as Kleenex or Puffs or Scotty's or the name brand, and very much more affordable. So this is everything from Walmart. I'm going to share now the rest of the stuff I picked up this week for the upcoming week. Alright, so starting off with the items I got from BJ's, I did go ahead and pick up 3 of these large Persil Pro Clean detergents. I've been using this brand pretty consistently for about 3, maybe 4 years now. This is the original. This is the Intense Fresh, and that's the original. I usually just get the original. The reason I got 3 is because I had 3 coupons. BJ's, they have like the clipless coupons now in your account, and the coupons were $5 off per bottle. So I got 3 because it has been sold out over quarantine on and off, and there were times when there were just none. So I did just get 3 to stock up. I don't always use this brand. Right now I'm using the Gain Botanicals. It's almost empty though. I don't know if you can see it, but the bottle's like down to here. So after this runs out, I will have plenty of stock of detergent. Probably this will last me, I would think, all fall, all winter, and maybe even into like very early spring, and then I'll just buy a couple more. Alright, so in my basement right now, my basement freezer, as you can see, lots of meat stock up. Anything brown in the brown paper is from the Fresh Market, which is where I get, I don't know, 90% of our meat. So I've got salmon, chicken breast. This I've already had. I had already chicken wings. This is a pork roast. I just double wrapped it and labeled it pork roast, so I know. This is a rack of pork ribs. As you can see, I've got more chicken breast in the back. Chicken breast, chicken thighs, and in the back I've got some ground beef. And then in my upstairs freezer I have frozen shrimp, ground turkey, mild Italian sausage, and sweet Italian sausage. So as you can see, we're stocked up on meat, and upstairs I also think I have ground beef and chicken breast. This is just kind of back stock. Once my upstairs freezer empties out, I bring this up, and then once this is empty, then I restock. That's sort of how I do my meat. I did also get butter at BJ's. I got a 4-pack of this Wellesley Farm salted butter. Here are 3 of the 4. The 4th brick is upstairs in my fridge ready. And then lastly, I'm going to show you the things I got from BJ's for like my pantry area. So here is like my pantry cabinet. I'm in my basement that my husband built. This cabinet, I did a big coffee stock up because coffee is something we just can never be without. We have to have it. So I already had about a quarter of a box of this Maxwell House. This is just like the house blend medium roast. I had a quarter of a box, the same exact box left. So I bought a new box with 100 K-cups in it, and then I just added the quarter from the other box of what I had left. So I have plenty of coffee. And then I got my husband some hazelnut Gloria Jean's coffee. This is the 48-pack. as well as a box of the Starbucks Pike Place medium roast 72 pack. So he's good to go on there. And then I have been working, let me move this coffee, to stock up my pantry, which I've talked about. So as you can see, I've got, it's hard to see from here, but in the back, those dark boxes are all different kinds of pastas. I've got chicken, beef, and turkey broth right here in these containers. In this big bin, I have cans double stacked with all different kinds of beans. So like kidney beans, pinto beans, garbanzo beans, cannellini beans. I have things like that. I have things like fire roasted tomatoes, little tomato sauces, pickles, jalapenos, just random canned goods that we go through. And then in the other side, I have random things. So I've got like enchilada sauce, more of these tomato sauces to make my homemade sauce. I've got pickles. You guys get the picture. And then I also stocked up at BJ's on the goldfish crackers. They sell these boxes with 3 larger bags in them. So I had 1 bag left from a previous 3-pack. So I got 1 more box and stocked those up because they're really cost effective at BJ's. And yeah, everything else is pretty stocked. My bin behind here is all of my bags, garbage bags, aluminum foil, cling wrap. I've got like another roll of garbage bags here. So I'm just trying to get really stocked up and prepared for the season. We can pretty much get snow here from like Halloween, we're fair game, all the way through April. So I like to have a nice stock in the colder months. So if the roads are bad or there's inclement weather, I have enough things that I can piece some meals together really easily using like basic staples. So that's like my little BJ / pantry stock up update, and I'm going to share now my meal plan for next week. Alright, so meal plan for the upcoming week. One night we're going to do those Nathan's cheddar hot dogs with some oven fries and probably just a side salad, tossed salad, something simple, because I have a lot of veggies from my parents' garden that I need to use up. I'm going to do some beef fried rice one night with a salad as well. I might just do like a simple cucumber and tomato salad with some balsamic glaze. Another night I'm going to do some breaded chicken cutlets. I'll just bread them, fry them so they're crispy, and then finish them in the oven. I've got about 4 sweet potatoes I need to use up, so I'll make some mashed sweet potatoes and then some kind of veggie as well. I want to have some ziti and meatballs one night this week. I already have my homemade sauce in the freezer, so I just have to thaw that, make the ziti, and make the meatballs, which I can do on a day when I'm working at home. And then some kind of like Italian bread or something. Friday is this, we have this thing called Food Truck Fridays. I'm sure it's other places as well. But it is this upcoming week is the last Friday of that event. It runs from like June or July until this time of year, like right when fall actually starts. So we might go to that because it's the last one until next year, and they have tons of different vendors of different kinds of food. I usually get the Caribbean like or soul food, but they have tons of different options. So we might go there, possibly with some friends. I'm not really sure. If not, we might just go ourselves. It just depends on our schedule. We all get home at different times, so we'll have to see, but that's a possibility. For our no meat option night, we're going to do a roasted veggie pasta with Caesar salad. I'll just roast up some veggies from my parents' garden, toss it with some pasta, probably like a fettuccine or a spaghetti pasta, and make a Caesar salad. And then of course I always have my freebie night. So that's what's going on for the upcoming week. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.